Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of negative thinking or unproductive habits? Imagine if you could change your mindset and habits in just 1 week. In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful method to reprogram your brain in 7 days so you can start living your best life. Stick around till the end for a special bonus tip. Let's face it, our brains are incredibly powerful, but sometimes they need a little help to get on the right track. Whether you're looking to break bad habits, improve your mental health, or boost your productivity, reprogramming your brain can be a game changer. And the best part? You can start seeing results in just 7 days. In this video, we'll cover the science behind brain reprogramming, a step-by-step guide to the 7-day process, and practical tips to make the changes stick. Ready to transform your life? Let's dive in. Day 1. Understanding neuroplasticity. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. How does it work? When you learn new things or practice new habits, your brain rewires itself to adapt to these changes. The importance of neuroplasticity in reprogramming your brain cannot be overstated. Day 2. Setting clear intentions. Identify what you want to change. Be specific about the habits or thought patterns you want to reprogram. Write down your goals. Writing helps to solidify your intentions and gives you a clear roadmap. Don't forget the power of positive affirmations. Day 3. Visualization techniques. What is visualization? Visualization is a mental rehearsal technique where you picture yourself achieving your goals. How to practice visualization. Spend 10 minutes each day visualizing your success in vivid detail. The benefits of visualization in brain reprogramming are immense. Day 4. Meditation and mindfulness. The importance of meditation in brain reprogramming cannot be overstated. Meditation helps to calm the mind and increase focus. Simple meditation techniques to try include focused breathing, body scan, and guided meditation. Additionally, mindfulness aids in breaking negative thought patterns. Day 5. Positive affirmations. So, what are positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are statements that help to reinforce positive thinking. To create and use affirmations, make sure they are specific, positive, and in the present tense. There's also interesting science behind affirmations and brain reprogramming. Day 6. Journaling for self-reflection. The benefits of journaling are numerous. Journaling helps to process thoughts and track progress. When it comes to what to include in your journal, consider writing about your goals, daily experiences, and reflections. This practice significantly aids in brain reprogramming. Day 7. Creating a new routine. Consistency is key to making new habits stick. Incorporate the practices from the previous days into your daily routine. Here are some tips for staying motivated and avoiding setbacks. Reprogramming your brain in just 7 days might sound ambitious, but with dedication and the right techniques, it's absolutely possible. By understanding neuroplasticity, setting clear intentions, practicing visualization, meditation, and positive affirmations, journaling, and creating a consistent routine, you can transform your mindset and habits. Remember, the journey doesn't end after 7 days. Continue practicing these techniques to see long-lasting results. And now, as promised, here's your bonus tip. Surround yourself with positive influences. Whether it's books, podcasts, or people, the environment you immerse yourself in plays a crucial role in your brain reprogramming journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And if you're looking for more tips on self-improvement, check out this video here. Before you go, let me know in the comments which technique you're most excited to try. And remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing forward and you'll see amazing changes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay positive and keep growing.